If you want to light up the night, you need clear headlight lenses and quality bulbs. Thankfully, Headlamp Renewal and swapping out a great set of bulbs, they're easy tasks that don't require special tools or take much time. And there are plenty of products to choose from these days. While some folks may still want to use toothpaste to do the job, if you really care about your car or truck and you're going to hold on to it for a while, toothpaste just ain't worth the effort. Here's why. It's not just about removing the haze and polishing the lenses. It's about protecting the surface so you don't have to do the job all over again in a couple of months. Now, I've used a whole bunch of headlight renewal products over the years. I first used Mother's plastic polish 12 years ago. It worked, but it's nothing like what we have today. 2 years later, I put 3M's headlight renewal kit to the test on my Honda Civic project. I loved that kit at the time, but it took some work. 3 years ago, the Civic's headlights were looking sad again, and I was thinking about selling the car. I needed something fast, easy, and inexpensive, so I went with Armor's Ultra Shine wipes, and boy, they worked real quick, and I was happy with the results. A few weeks back, I used Cerakote's Headlight Restoration Kit, and I found a new favorite, but I made a crucial mistake in the process, because, hey, I do mess up sometimes. Here's what you need to know about Cerakote. You don't need any special tools or skills, but you do need a source of water and a bit of patience. There are 3 steps. First, use the oxidation remover wipes to soften up and melt the plastic headlight's tired surface. Then, use sandpaper pads to smooth out the surface by hand. This is a 2-step process as you switch from a medium grit sandpaper to a fine grit. The sanding puck makes it easy to apply even pressure. And finally, use a ceramic clear coating to protect the surface so that it lasts for a while. This is crucial. But here's where I messed up. When I looked at all the step 1 and step 3 packets, I thought, whoa, that's a lot of product. I wonder if it's possible to do 2 cars with this kit. Long story short, don't do that. Cerakote is easy to use. It gets the job done with no muss or fuss, and so far it looks like good stuff. Just don't try and stretch that box to cover 2 cars. You got 2 cars? Buy 2 boxes. One more note. I'm hoping I can post more videos soon. The pandemic knocked this channel off the rails for a number of reasons, but I've been working on some stuff I think you'll dig. That's all I got for now. Thanks as always for watching, and be well. Catch you down the road.